Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, put comments. Also let me know where you're watching me from. I have taken quite a long time without posting a video, but today I've come with an amazing video for you. And I have these two birds in my hands. They are of the same type. Look at them, they're biting me. They're of the same type, and the red one is the male one, and this one is the female. The other one is the female one. So from my observation, I've came to realize that male birds are normally beautiful, and the female one, they are not ugly. I think they are handsome. Yeah, for the case of the female one, they are handsome, they are not ugly. But the male one, they are beautiful, or more beautiful. If the other one is okay, the female, they are beautiful, but the male one, they are more beautiful. So now I'm going to release them to I will release them to fly away. But in our community, we eat them. So if people see me making them to fly back, they will think they will think that I'm wasting food. But here in Africa, especially in my place or in my region where I'm staying, this thing, they are food. Yeah, let me leave this one. The other one has gone. Yeah, the other one has gone, and I have not harmed them. So I'm going to release this one also to fly. Let us see how it's flying. Aha, it has gone up. All of them has taken the same direction. I've left them to fly away. So guys, thank you for watching my video. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, put comment, also let me know where you're watching me from. And if you are new, you are most welcome. Welcome in my channel. Yeah, the other one is the house. It is just a temporary house or a shelter, because here we are staying in a farm. So when we are resting, when the sun is hot, we rest there and cook also there. So I'm going to end the video here. The video is not going to be long, just because I've taken quite a long time without posting. So I think I'm going to stop here, since I don't have much to show you. We will meet in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, put comment, also share.